So I wanted to create a video today about eBay's team access service. Some of you might not know that this is actually a thing, and we'll talk about its uses and why I wanted to make this video. First off, team access is basically it was formerly the multi-user account access. That was the first iteration. This is the second iteration, and basically you can share access to your account with a third party without having any of your personal information, your accounting stuff. It's basically for virtual assistants or volunteers you might have, family members that you might not want to give your eBay password to. Basically, they are able to log into your account via their personal account via this team access. Basically, what you do is if you have a virtual assistant or a volunteer, they give you your email address associated with their personal account. You send them an invitation, and within 24 hours they have to click that link, and then they'll be able to go into their personal account, toggle between their account and your account, and be able to do listings and shipping and very basic functions without having, like I said, all your personal information for that. And I wanted to create this video because I was actually looking for videos not only explaining this, but kind of showing what it looks like on the other user on the virtual assistant side to see what they see. And so this is what it kind of looks like once they sign up and they go through all that. This is what it's going to look like. This is what I really wanted to see a video on. So that's why I'm really creating this, is if they're going to do a listing, this is what it's going to look like on the top. There's going to be a blue bar that they'll be able to switch and toggle from accounts. And this is basically, how they'll piggyback from their account to yours and how they'll switch and vice versa. And then they will be able to revoke access if they, once you stop doing this. One of the things I wanted to say actually was this doesn't actually work for the eBay app, which I find it incredibly ironic that Team Access isn't available through the app. This is the only function it's used for is for desktop or a laptop. And they said that you can use it on the iPad with the Safari browser, but in my experience, I couldn't even get that to work. So if you have a mobile device, this is not going to work for you for now. And like I said, we've been using this for about 6 months, and this second iteration is hands down way better than the first iteration, which was a nightmare to have access because the volunteer or the virtual assistant had to jump through so many hoops just to be able to have access to your account. And like I said, this is mainly for security reasons. Why this team access is available. So some of you resellers might not know that this is actually a thing, and this is actually what it looks like here when you're able to toggle in between accounts and stuff like that. So, like I said, we've had smashing results in using Team Access, and the only kind of hang up, like I said, is we have volunteers that exclusively use their iPads, and so we've had to figure out different workarounds for that. So if you have a virtual assistant, they basically can't use their iPads, only for maybe taking photos and then downloading those photos onto a desktop or whatever. But yeah, so anyways, I wanted to make this video, let you guys know that this is actually a thing. And actually, to real quick to get to this, so some of you might not know how to get to this, is you basically go up to your account here, you go to account settings, and then you go to team access right here under account preferences, and then it opens up this whole thing, and it basically will show you, you know, you can name your assistant, and then they have the email address and the permissions, and you can pick and choose when you set this account. When you set the invitation, you can actually pick and choose, what you want to do for that. Actually, we can go roll through that real quick. So if you add a user, it's going to ask for my password. So basically, you're going to fill out your first and last name. You can actually put anything you want in there. So if you have, you know, virtual assistant 01 or whatever. You can put that in there, the email address, you can put in a message, and basically see, you can click to see what kind of, permissions they'll have. Do you want them just to do listings? Do you want them to actually be able to print shipping labels? Do you want them to actually be able to send messages? The marketing, do you want them to be able to do sales and research? And if you click on this little thing down here, it actually will show, more of a finessing and a fine, like, fine tuning what exactly you really want a particular virtual assistant to do. So, like I said, the only thing is they have to click the link within 24 hours, or you have to do this whole process all over again. Another caveat that you might not know, and I don't believe, I think in the fine print of the documentation, eBay states that you can only have team access to one account, meaning if you have a virtual assistant, they can only have team access to one account at a time. And so if you don't, let's say you get rid of your virtual assistant somehow, they move on to do something else, their account's still going to be attached to that unless they go in and revoke the account, or you go in and you revoke their account, and then they can add their account to another team access. You can't do multiple team accesses at once. So that's another kind of thing that I'm glad I remembered to kind of tell everyone here. But like I said, if you've had experience with this, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. I think it's great. You don't have to give everyone your passwords, which is a nightmare if something goes sideways. But yeah. So, anyways, let me know what you think.